In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to remove a user profile or multiple profiles from your Netflix account. Let's begin. Now, before starting, just a gentle reminder, don't forget to like and share this video if it helped you. Also, subscribe to Guiding Tech and keep the bell icon on so that you don't miss any videos from us. With that out of the way, let's see how we can remove a user profile from your user Netflix account. On your iPhone or Android, open Netflix, and within a few seconds, you are greeted to the User Profiles page. Now, tap on Edit at the top right corner of the phone. You will see a pencil icon on each of the present profiles. Tap on the specific user profile that you wish to remove. Once open, you need to scroll down to the bottom and tap on Delete Profile. A confirmation dialog box will appear, asking if you wish to confirm the same action. Tap on Delete, and you're done. The user profile will be deleted. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.